It's not green. It's like a taupe color. We got the Masquerade Suite, which is at the end of this hallway with these big fancy doors. We got it with a strip view, so we are staying in room 2053. Like I said, my first time in Vegas. I've never experienced rooms in Vegas, and this is absolutely incredible with amazing views. So you walk into this room, you walk into a little foyer here, and off to your left is a half bath. Nicely decorated. Awesome little faucet there, fountain faucet going on. Mirror, you get lotion, a dental rinse, and a cleansing bar. And some nice decorations. Across from the bathroom is an entry table and a mirror. Mirrors all over, so you can make sure you are looking good when you go out. That is the door if you have an adjoining room. There's the living room. We'll go look at the views in a minute. The dining room and dining table, and the bar area. So, the entertainment center has nice decorations that are under lock and key, so nobody can take them. You come out to this incredible view to the other Rio building, the pools down below with all the palm trees, and across the way. Like I said, I've never been to Vegas, so I don't know the names, only what I read. You can see the Bellagio, Aria, Cosmopolitan, I don't know that one, Caesar's Palace, High Roller, Harrah's. So that's everything you can see from the living room window. They're gonna go back. Living room. That's what the entryway looks like with the columns next to it. There's the bar. Dining room table has 5 chairs. Glass table with a bowl, a wooden bowl with wooden fruit. Chandelier. Artwork with decorations on the table. Now the view out the dining room, you can see the Miracle, Treasure Island off there, Wynn, Harrah's High Roller. Again, Rio and the pools. Okay, so from what I've read about Las Vegas and the stuff that's in the refrigerators, they accidentally move and they get charged. I like this because it doesn't have it. Nothing to accidentally move, nothing to buy, nothing they're gonna charge you for. So you open the refrigerator and it's empty, so you can put your own stuff in there. Coffee maker, single serve coffees, cups, and an ice bucket, sink, towel, and it comes with a cleansing bar. So this is the view of the entrance or of the living area from the bar. Now let's go in the room. It's to the left off the dining room table. It's a corner room, so it has 2 floor to ceiling windows. Amazing. King size bed, your TV, chair, and a table. Let's look at these. Very similar to your living room and dining room. You can get the other Rio building, the pools, all the ones across the way there. And then your other view has the Wyndham, has the Trump Hotel, Encore Wynn, Treasure Island, the Miracle, and the mountains way over there. Incredible views, absolutely incredible. Lots of palm trees down there. The entire place has very tall ceilings with incredible molding, crown molding. Nice artwork. You can pull your curtains closed if you want to or keep them open. It's on the 20th floor. Off the bedroom has the master closet. There are 2 bathrobes that are hanging in there already. Our clothes because we are getting married tomorrow. Dresser, mirror, and the master bath is incredible as well. No other words but incredible. So you got some artwork, you have a shower that does have a door, it's open. The bathtub, oh my gosh, this bathtub is like as deep as a swimming pool. And the faucet is an oversized fountain faucet there. It's just like the sinks. Towels, artwork. Bathrooms, I'm sorry, the sinks, his and her sinks with very large mirrors. You're not fighting over sinks, cupboard space to hide your stuff, keep it all cleaned. More towels, vanity area with the hair dryer and all kinds of goodies there. You get a dental kit, a shave kit, vanity pack for the finishing touch, a dental rinse, conditioning shampoo, body lotion, conditioner, and a shower cap. So all kinds of goodies in case you forget anything. And then the bathroom area, the toilet, has a door you can close for privacy. So, but that is the master bath. There are curtains you can pull if you want privacy in the bathtub. We had a safe issue, handles broken off. They came in, fixed that right away. We can use our safe. There goes a train. I am so impressed with this. It was $103 a night for their Masquerade Suite at the time we're here. $103 a night plus the resort fee of $35, I believe. Okay, my first time in Vegas. I will definitely be back, and this will most definitely be a place I come back to. It is incredible for the price.